Shalom! Here are my top resource recommendations for learning modern Hebrew. First, if you're like most people, you're going to be starting with the aleph-bet, the alphabet. This book, Learn to Read Hebrew in 6 Weeks, is my #1 choice for learning the aleph-bet. This book is relatively new and groundbreaking. So for instance, how you learn is, this is the letter Gimel. She uses pictures to teach you the sounds of the letters. This is a guy playing golf, and it helps the letters stick into your memory better. Unfortunately, this book didn't exist when I learned the aleph-bet. I had to do it the hard way. You don't have to. Hi, I'm Kochava. I'm a Jewish convert, and I've been helping people convert to Judaism since 2010 through my blog, buildingajewishlife.com. Obviously, I've been around the block a few times, but I've never actually learned modern Hebrew, and I am in my 3rd attempt at Ulpan, which is a specific style of learning Hebrew. But Ulpan is not cheap, and also you still need to supplement it. What if you are learning just totally on your own? These are all books that you might find in your local library. In fact, all the books that I'm showing you today were checked out from my own library system. You may have to request an interlibrary loan, but I highly recommend it. These next 2 books are not Hebrew specific, they are more broadly second language acquisition. And I know a thing or two about second language acquisition. We didn't have a minor in it at my school, but I effectively minored in linguistics, specifically focusing on second language acquisition. Yet somehow I am still not fluent in anything. Those who can't do teach, I suppose. Ah, so sad. I used to be mostly fluent in Spanish. Now it's all gone. I did not maintain it. So this first book, called Fluent Forever, is the more traditional style of learning. It's focused on a flashcard method, but this is a highly effective method and it's got some tweaks. And in particular, the best part is he has a list of high-frequency words at the back of the book that are really good ones for you to start on. They are some of the most common words in a given language. He now runs an app called Fluent Forever. He used to have a blog that was all about language learning. Unfortunately, it is not accessible anymore. It's all replaced by his app. But if you read the book, there are links to appendices that are on the website, and he gives you the web address for those specific pages, and those specific pages, -1, do still exist. And he does have Hebrew-specific resources on his website if you follow the links here in this book. You think you know flashcards. You do not know flashcards like he's going to talk about it. Trust me, it's way more effective. But there's a flaw in this book. He gives pretty short shift to speaking. He's like a little dragon hoarding words. But what do you do with those words? And that is where the next book comes in. Fluent in 3 Months by Benny Lewis. I have to say I have followed Benny Lewis for probably 15 or 20 years on his blog, also called Fluent in 3 Months. It was based around the challenge of trying to reach fluency in just 3 months. He is focused almost solely on speaking, and it has the best recommendations that I've ever seen for getting speaking practice. There's nothing Hebrew specific in here, but if you follow his recommendations, you will be able to speak much faster than you would in a traditional model. So those are my 3 recommended Hebrew resources. I don't think you need a specific Hebrew program or book. You're going to basically create your own syllabus through the method in the Fluent Forever book. These are going to be the shortcuts you need to be as effective as possible at learning modern Hebrew. If you like this down-to-brass-tacks approach to Judaism and Jewish topics, you might like my membership, Buy It Builders. It's full of people building Jewish life from the ground up. There's support and structure to help you meet your goals, like learning modern Hebrew. The doors only open to new members 3 times a year, and your next chance is January 11th through the 15th, 2026. You can learn more or join the waitlist at buildingajewishlife.com/membership. Lehitraot.